Leadership is more than just a title. It's about ability to influence, inspire, and gain respect through your words and actions. Speaking like a leader requires purpose, clarity, confidence, and connection. Let's explore 6 essential ways to communicate effectively as a leader and command respect. And I will give you examples to understand my points very well. So watch this video till end. Point number 1. Start with purpose. A leader's words should always reflect a clear purpose. People respect leaders who know what they want to achieve and communicate it effectively. Before you speak, ask yourself, what is my goal? What do I want my audience to take away from this? Let me clear this with an example. Imagine addressing your team during a tough project. Instead of saying, "We are facing difficulties," frame the situation positively. This challenge is an opportunity for us to grow and innovate. Together, we'll find the best solutions. By focusing on the bigger picture, you inspire confidence and motivate others to align with your vision. And here comes my second point. Tell stories to inspire. Facts are important, but stories leaves a lasting impression. A powerful story helps your audience relate to your message and makes it memorable. When trying to encourage innovation, share the story of a company or individual who overcame challenges through creativity. For instance, talk about a turned a failing business into a global success through bold decisions. Stories create an emotional connection, making your audience more likely to act on your message. Point number 3. Connect with empathy. Empathy is the cornerstone of leadership. People will respect and follow you if they feel you understand their concern and value their efforts. People will respect and follow you if they feel you understand their concern and value their efforts. Speak in a way that makes others feel seen and appreciated. For example, when addressing a stressed employee, instead of saying, "You need to manage your," "I see how much effort you are putting in and I want to support you in balancing your workload. Let's work together to find a solution." This approach not only solves problems but also strengthens trust and morale. Point number 4. Use clear and concise language. Clarity is a hallmark of a great leadership. People respect leaders who can convey their ideas without confusion or unnecessary complexity. For example, instead of saying, "We aim to leverage operational efficiencies to maximize outcome," just say, "Our goal is to improve efficiency and achieve better results." Simple and straightforward language ensures everyone understands your message. It also shows you value people's time and attention. Point number 5. Speak with confidence and humility. Confidence in your message earns respect, but humility builds connection. Balance these two elements to create a powerful presence. For example, when presenting a plan, say, "This strategy is the result of careful analysis and teamwork." It shows your confidence. While I believe it's the right direction, I'm open to hearing your insights to make it even stronger. This shows you are confident in your approach but willing to collaborate, make others feel valued and included. Point number 6. Use non-verbal communication effectively. Your body language, tone, and facial expressions speak volumes. People are more likely to respect leaders whose non-verbal cues align with their words. For example, in a meeting, stand tall with an open posture, maintain eye contact, and speak with a steady, calm tone. These signals convey authority and assurance. Even before you say a word, slouching or avoiding eye contact can undermine your message, no matter how strong your words are. Now I am giving you an extra bonus point. Inspire action through authenticity. Authenticity is what separates great leaders from the rest. Be true to yourself and your values when you speak. People respect leaders who are genuine and consistent. Example, if you're asking your team to embrace change, share your own experience with adapting to change. Talk about the challenges you faced, how you overcame them. and what you learned from your challenges. Authenticity makes you relatable and trustworthy, encouraging others to follow your lead. In conclusion, speaking like a leader is a skill that requires practice, reflection, and dedication. Start by grounding your words in purpose. Use stories to inspire, speak with empathy and clarity, and let your non-verbal communication reinforce your message. Remember to balance confidence with humility and always stay authentic to who you are. Leadership is not just about giving orders, it's about creating connection and inspiring action. By mastering these techniques, you will command respect, influence others, and leave a lasting impact wherever you go. Start practicing today and watch how your words transform not just conversation but entire outcomes. Okay, that's all I can give you on leadership. So, if you watched the video until end, like and subscribe. Thank you for that.